Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to view Verizon call history. The first thing I want you to do is just come here, click on sign in, and then you can click on sign into my account. If you don't have an account already, click on create a new account, and then just enter your user ID or Verizon mobile number and continue with that. Then you just go ahead and enter a password, create your account, sign in, and once you're signed in, what I need you to do is just go to the main menu right here. You'll see usage. I want you to go and click on usage. And then here you'll see my usage. Just choose your line, scroll down, and you'll see this section here. We have text and talk. So here you can view the minute details, message details. Click on this one right here, minute details. And then just go ahead and scroll down right here. You'll see all your call logs, the timings as well, the minutes. And if you want, you can also come here at the bottom. You can download this as a spreadsheet as well. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.